Hi guys. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi guys. Oh my word. I am so happy. Yes, it is Valentine season. Valentine season. Yes guys, unfortunately on the 9th of February 2023 my channel was striked. Yes, YouTube striked my channel, so I couldn't post this video as I intend to before during the Valentine Day. So I decided to post it anyways, whichever way it is. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. So yes guys, I got my Valentine's gifts ahead of time. So today I went to church, and one of our choir member, who is like a mother to me, is a very nice, beautiful woman. She just said, "Hey princess," that was after the mass anyway. Say, "Princess, I have something for you." And I was like, okay. And she just gave me a gift, guys. A gift. Sorry. I think this is supposed to be green, red, right? She's an old woman. She's an old woman. I think she should be in her 70-something years. So here is my gift. My Valentine gift. So we are going to be opening this gift together. Let's see what is inside. So yes, thank you so much guys. Thank you for showing up for me. Thank you for always being there for me. And for those of you that have inboxed me requesting for a particular video, I will be making that video this week, hopefully, so that you guys will get to see, you know, what you requested for. But I can't wait to open this. Can't wait. So we are going to open this. I got a lot of compliments today, guys. Like, people were just complimenting my look, complimenting me. Like, seriously, guys, they were just complimenting me, and I'm so happy at, you know, my look. You know, I was just blushing, grazie, and I'm telling them, grazie, thank you, grazie, thank you. Yes, guys, I so love this shape of this new look of my eyes. So love it, So without wasting much of your time, let's start checking our gifts. Sorry, I had dropped it. How am I going to do this now? So I'm going to be bringing them out one after the other for you guys to see. Here is this one. Can you see it, guys? So here is the first gift, guys. You see it? Isn't it beautiful? And it comes with some hand. I so much love this. I've been meaning to get something like this, and I got it on Val. I got it for Val, you know, as a part of Val gifts. You see, guys? Isn't this lovely? This is so cute. Here is another one, guys. Just look at it. This one comes with this is a neck chain, a hand bangle, and an earring. This is the earring. This is it, guys. I am so blessed. I'm so blessed, guys. I'm so happy. Here is another lovely one, another lovely one, another lovely one. Ooh. Let me put it here so that you guys can see it very well. You see it, guys? This is it. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Here's another one. Cuckoo, cuckoo. I don't know how am I going to. Okay, here is it. Can you guys see it? This is it. It has white and gold in something like that. More like the top that I'm wearing. This is it, guys. And I'm trying to show you guys the white one. Just two whites that this is it here. Okay, now I can see it. This is it. You can see it now very well. Then another one. This is wow, only me of all these jewelries. They know I love jewelries. I love jewelries. So if you want to get me something, jewelries, anything jewelries, ring, earrings, set of jewelries and all that. I love jewelries and I love pairs too. So this is it. This is this. Let me go backward. This is it, guys. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And then I got this, See how nice it is. And this one too. Oh gosh, how am I going to? I want you guys to see the beauty. This one is so beautiful, guys. So, okay, this is how it is. You see it? You see it, guys? That's it. With this. And the last, not the least, and the last, not the least, and the last, not the least, the last and not the least is this other casual, very simple set of jewelry. Look at them. You see? So you see, so beautiful, 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 beautiful. So that is all, guys. I am so happy at my gifts. So thank you. So which of the earrings, which of the jewelries do you like? Which one do you like? The first, the second, the third, the fourth. It's unfortunate I didn't even name them one after the other, but at least from the video you can be able to decide which one you like. You know, boom, 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 boom. So thank you so much for watching. This is princesschivlog, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you had a very beautiful, lovely wow. So this gift made my day. Unfortunately, Val is on a working day. I had to go to work. Hubby has to go to work. So there was nobody at home, but we managed to, give ourselves a treat in our own little way, If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. So thank you so much for watching. To all my returning subscribers, you guys rock like a rocket bomb. To all the new people coming in, hey, welcome you, welcome. This is the right place to be. This is the right place to be. Just like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you feel like sharing it. If you feel it makes sense to share it. If you enjoy what you saw or what you just watched, just share the video. And also smash that black button, black and white button that is written subscribe to my channel, and keep following on this channel. I bring to you marriage and relationship tips. We talk about food, we talk about lifestyles and vlog. So keep in tune, keep in touch, keep in touch. See you in my next video. God bless you. I love you guys.